In this video, I'm going to share with you guys why I think Take Profit Trader is one of the easiest prop firms to pass the evaluation with. And I have proof right here this week passing 250K account challenges with Take Profit Trader. So let's talk about why I think Take Profit Trader is so easy to pass the evaluation. But first, I want to remind you guys right now, you can get 50% off any Take Profit Trader evaluation account. Just simply scroll right up here to the top of the screen where it says Epitome. Left click on that. It'll save that right there to your clipboard and use code Epitome at checkout. Now let's go over and take a look at what the rules are real quick with these accounts. And we're going to talk about the 150K account in this video. Now with a 150K account, we have a profit target of $9,000 with a max contract size of 15 contracts or 150 micros. Now, recently, Take Profit Trader has removed the daily loss limit, and you have an end of day trailing drawdown. So essentially $4,500 of drawdown, right? No, not so quick, because we come right over to our dashboard. I'm going to click on the active account real quick, and I'm going to scroll down here just a bit. Now, one thing I want you guys to pay attention to is as we go through and we look at, how much I made per day, and essentially almost all these trades was one contract except for one. It was by accident. I had a trade copier malfunction and I traded two contracts. But day number one, making $2,644. Day number two, making $1,865. Day number three, making $672. Day number four, making $3,580. And on day number five, making $1,350. Now you can see the target. I only had to make $9,000. I was a little bit of an overachiever here, making $10,000 over those 5 days. But let's go ahead and look at the graph. Now we know you get a $4,500 trailing drawdown at the end of the day. So this blue line right here is going to represent what your drawdown actually is. You guys may already have spotted why I think Take Profit Trader is so easy to pass. And that is going to be, notice the drawdown only moves up at the end of the day. But then once I got to day number two, you can see right up here, the account balance was $154,509.25. And since you get a $4,500 trailing drawdown, the market should always be $4,500 below my price, right? Not with Take Profit Trader. Notice, just like once you're in the funded accounts with a lot of other prop firms, your drawdown will quit moving up. However, with Take Profit Trader, they also have the drawdown stop moving up in the evaluation phase. So after I made $4,500 of profit, then notice the remaining days of the challenge, the drawdown essentially stayed flatlined. So if you actually look at day number four, you see the account balance was $158,761. And my account balance could not fall below $150,000. So if you look at the difference between that, simple math would be it's about $8,761 of drawdown that I have on that particular day. So kind of like with a live account, as you grow the account, you have more and more drawdown. Now, I didn't know Take Profit Trader did this with their evaluations. All the other accounts that I've traded with Take Profit Trader have been the 50K accounts. However, this week made me rethink things a little bit, recalculate and say, you know what, maybe the 50K account isn't the best for me. Let me try a 150K account. And I got to be honest with you, I'm loving the 150K accounts with Take Profit Trader. Now, if you want to see why I had to go ahead and switch from a 50K account to the 150K accounts with Take Profit Trader, then you don't want to miss this next video right here.